Garlic, with its distinctive aroma and flavor, is a staple in many cuisines around the world. But did you know that eating just 2 cloves of garlic a day can have incredible effects on your body? In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating changes that happen when you make garlic a part of your daily routine. 1. Boosted immune system. Garlic is a powerhouse of natural compounds, the most famous of which is allicin. Allicin is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. When you consume garlic daily, it can help boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses like colds and the flu. 2. Improved heart health. Garlic has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol levels. Regular consumption can significantly decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. It helps relax blood vessels, leading to better blood circulation. 3. Antioxidant benefits. Garlic is packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and slowing down the aging process. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is your body's response to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Garlic contains compounds that help reduce inflammation, making it an excellent addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. 5. Enhanced digestion. Garlic aids in digestion by promoting the release of digestive enzymes. It can also help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall well-being. 6. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly in the digestive system. Its anti-cancer properties are attributed to its ability to inhibit the growth of abnormal cells. 7. Improved skin health. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can help fight skin infections. When used topically or ingested regularly, it may contribute to clearer and healthier skin. 8. Weight management. Garlic can also support your weight management efforts. It can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce fat accumulation, making it an ally in your journey to maintaining a healthy weight. In conclusion, the benefits of eating 2 garlic cloves a day go beyond adding flavor to your dishes. This natural superfood can contribute to better health, a stronger immune system, and an improved overall quality of life. So why not make garlic a part of your daily routine? Your body will thank you for it. This script provides an overview of the potential benefits of consuming 2 garlic cloves a day, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Additionally, individual responses to garlic may vary, so it's important to listen to your body and make informed choices about your diet.